Yeah, Ellie also mentioned masterminds, right? So like
Yeah.
partnerships, mastermind can be, for example, I'm part of Ecom Brand Builder Mastermind. We are, I don't know how many people, like 30 maybe by this point, divided into different groups. This project started in 2019. I was amongst the first people kind of to join, and I'll leave a link in the description for those who want to see what it's all about. But we just gather weekly in groups and once a week. I've been doing that for years, almost every week, unless I'm flying or something, or you need to attend these meetings. And in these meetings, we usually set goals in front of other people and we share if we have gotten our goals from the previous week also with the people. So it's good for accountability. And also, as you mentioned, Marina, there's a lot to share. Like, at least in our mastermind, you have to be an active seller on Amazon. You have to have I think at least 10K in sales per month, but maybe it's different these days. Maybe it's lower, maybe higher. I don't know. You get a network of sellers with you and you have these weekly calls. And I've learned a lot from that. Like, I was able to share my listings, ask for opinions. I was able to share my strategies, hear other strategies that I never knew about. So I would definitely recommend people looking into masterminds, partnerships. And I've met some solo sellers as well. Like, I met a dude named Chris in Phuket. He was on his own, like running a pretty big store. I think like mid 6-figure a year private label in the sports niche. He was doing it completely alone, and good for your mind to have someone else to share it with, because otherwise no one understands you. Like, if you go on a street in your city and you talk to people, like, of course you can talk about different things with them, but you have this every day pretty much on your mind when you're a beginner, maybe even an advanced businessman. So you need people that are entrepreneurs that you need to that you can talk to and share, ask. You will feel more at ease. Yeah, that's what I can say about that. Definitely recommended.